We're at the WhitePass Depot on another wet, rainy day. Everybody's got their rain gear on. There's a train departure in about 5 minutes, I believe. And everybody's waiting for that, so it is very crowded. Coffee bar is doing great business right now. All the wet and cold outside. There's the train getting ready. More people.
Inside here, says there's a train shop.
Excuse me. The gift shop. It's my friend Chris Williams' pictures. He is an engineer on the train. Those are all the same. He's an engineer on the train. Or anyway, he works on the train, and he gets lots of very neat pictures. Oops, sorry.
Oh yeah, these are the
As you can see, it is quite a happening place here. Video of what you'll see as you're on the train.